Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got two Morrison's block. The first one is 2-hour block paying £41. It's a sunny Sunday morning and it's about 22 degrees. Let's see where they send us today. This block's actually 9 stops, which is quite unusual. We've got 1 near Gloucester, then we've got 7 in Tewkesbury, and then we've got 1 even further than Tewkesbury, so I expect we'll be using all of our time for this block. We've got 1 that's age verified, then we've got an 8, a 3, a 5, a 6, a 4, and a 1 that's age verified, and then 10 parcels at the end in Tewkesbury. Let's go. Hello there, got Amazon Morrison's for you. Need to check the year you were born. 86, super, all done for you, thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, got your Morrison's for you.
Cheers, mate.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, all there for you. Cheers. Have a nice afternoon. Three bags for you. Yeah, cheers. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, need to check the year you were born.
55.
Super. All done for you.
Thank you.
Cheers, have a nice afternoon. Hello. Is this number 10?
Yeah.
Super. It's your Morrison's for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, all there for you. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, got your Morrison's for you.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, all done for you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello there.
Hello,
I'm sorry we were on the computer.
That's all right.
But it's alcohol, is it?
Yes, I expect so.
Would
I
you
don't.
like a cold to take in your van?
Oh yes, if you've got one, it'd be nice. What's your year of birth?
1947.
Super.
50 years ago, I might not have.
There we go.
Oh, there
Thank
are.
you very
Thank
much.
you ever so
Thank you.
much.
Have a nice
Bye.
afternoon. So that's a 2-hour Morrison's block. It looked like it was going to take extra long because of the 8 stops, but it didn't. We've actually finished just over an hour and a half, so we've got 25 minutes left of the block. I'm going to head back to the store, and we also had a bonus free Coke from the lovely older couple. They were really nice. If you enjoyed this ride along video, give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to Marvin's Flex Tips for more tips and tricks for doing Amazon Flex. See you next time.